everyone, welcome back to Motor Minded. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Kia Sportage, the refreshed version of Kia's compact crossover that's been upgraded in styling, tech, performance, and more. Kia has polished the Sportage's styling under its opposites united philosophy. Up front, the big changes are a more upright, rectangular grille, chunkier bumpers, and vertically stacked LED headlights with amber DRLs. Kia calls them star map lighting. The Sportage gets new 17, 18, or 19mm designs, trims like X-Line and X-Pro Prestige even get rugged accents, gloss black trim, and all-terrain tires at the back. Subtle tweaks to the bumper and taillight graphics create a modern, cohesive look. This is more mature and mainstream compared to the edgy 2023 look. The front grille feels bold yet classy, and amber DRLs give it some character. The X-Line's rugged styling hints at adventure, even if you're just running errands. Inside, the cabin gets a curved dual 12.3 panoramic display, combining instrument cluster and infotainment seamlessly. The dashboard now features integrated air vents, smudge-resistant materials, and minimal clutter. Standard tech across trims includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Smart Key with remote start, and dual USB-C ports. Available features include a 10 head-up display, HUD, with navigation and ADAS readouts, Digital Key 2.0 via phone or smartwatch, Wi-Fi hotspot, and over-the-air OTA updates. Available features include a 10 head-up display, HUD, with navigation and ADAS readouts, Digital Key 2.0 via phone or smartwatch, Wi-Fi hotspot, and over-the-air OTA updates. Premium materials, perforated leather or Syntex, ambient lighting, power seats, especially in higher trims like SX Prestige and X Pro Prestige. The dual 12.3-inch screens give it a premium, almost electric vehicle vibe. Interface runs smooth, CarPlay and Android Auto wireless is slick, and that HUD is crisp and useful. Plus, Kia's digital key is perfect for those who hate fumbling for remotes. Under the hood, 2.5L inline-4, gas, 187 horsepower, 8-speed auto, FWD or AWD, 500 lb towing capacity, 1.6L turbo hybrid, HEV, 231 horsepower, plus 4 horsepower, 6-speed auto, FWD/AWD, 2000 lb towing, 1.6L turbo plug-in hybrid, PHEV, 268 horsepower, plus 7 horsepower, AWD, 2000 lb towing, all-electric, range 34 miles. AWD models get active torque coupling and selectable terrain mode, snow, mud, sand. On X-Line and X-Pro trims on the gas engine, it's smooth and predictable, great commuter ride. The hybrid and PHEV pick up power quickly, and the PHEV's electric range is generous for daily drives. AWD plus terrain mode makes it feel secure in rain, mud, or sand. Up front, the big changes are a more upright, rectangular grille, chunkier bumpers, and vertically stacked LED headlights with amber DRLs. Kia calls them star map lighting. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.